What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, as requested, we're going to be taking a look at Biodelivery Sciences, trading under the ticker BDSI. We'll be talking about their business model and also taking a look at their financials and the stock chart. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice and let's jump into it. Founded in 1997 and headquartered in Raleigh, North Carolina, Biodelivery Sciences is a specialty pharmaceutical company that develops and commercializes drug delivery systems to improve medication bioavailability. Bioavailability is directly related to how effective a medication is in treating a patient's symptoms, referring to how much medication enters the circulation and is then able to exert its systemic effects. Biodelivery Sciences has been working toward improving medication bioavailability through their bioerodible mucoadhesive technology, BEMA for short. This delivery system works by adhering to the inside of the cheek on the buccal mucosa and allowing a one-way diffusion of medication into the cheek's capillaries, which ultimately feeds back into the systemic circulation. BDSI is primarily focused on treating chronic pain patients with their two signature medications, Belbuca and Symproic, which is an opioid antagonist to treat opioid-induced constipation. Unlike traditional opioid medications, which are limited by their side effect profile, such as respiratory depression, which could be life-threatening, Buprenorphine, the generic for Belbuca, has a ceiling effect in its respiratory side effects, stemming from its mechanism of action as a partial opioid agonist, which means that Belbuca is potentially a safer medication option for patients with chronic pain that require daily, long-acting opioid medications. And for that reason, we have seen insurance companies be urged to agree to cover buprenorphine medications when in the past they would only agree to cover those medications after patients had failed more traditional full opioid agonist medications. From a financial perspective, when looking at BDSI's most recent quarterly report, they have seen consistent revenue growth over the past few quarters, most recently up 43%, and with revenues up 30% in Q3 of 2020 when compared to the same quarter year over year. In addition, BDSI has seen growing net income as well as an increasing cash balance, with most recently $100 million in cash and cash equivalents sitting on their balance sheet. And BDSI has seen consistent double-digit year-over-year growth in prescriptions for Belbuca, as well as consistent growth in its smaller product, Symproic. When taking a look at BDSI's stock chart, we can see that right now it is trading at around $4.40 per share, and like many other companies in the stock market, over the past couple trading days it has overall been pulling back. But over the past month, we can see that BDSI is still holding on to a nice gain of around 20 cents per share. So what are my thoughts about BDSI as a potential investment? While I will say that I like Belbuca as a potential treatment option for my patients that require long-acting, long-term opioid medications, as an investment, I'm hesitant to put my money into a company such as BDSI that relies so heavily on one product for the majority of its revenue. While I do think that BDSI has potential ahead of it, and I will definitely add it to a watch list, I just think that right now there are other stocks out there that offer better long-term potential. What are your thoughts about Biodelivery Sciences? Are you invested in BDSI? Are you thinking about buying this company? Where do you think the share price will go over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.